Welcome to Rounds RC Garage in Fiore, Arizona. It is July 21st. Temperature's supposed to be in the teens all week long. So we are going to be spending some time in the garage this week working on our old 4910 T-Max trucks. The one you have seen before in other videos is this number 21 truck. We installed a OS FS40CX in it, and just to try things, we have had nothing but issues with this, one after another. So we're going to make 3 changes to this truck today. Being a 4-stroke, of course we don't have the RPM of a 2-stroke, and plus we're only getting exhaust pressure every other stroke. And we have a fuel pressurization problem for sure. We adjusted the tension on the O-ring on the fuel filler cap. We got that sealed up real tight. We are going to reroute the hose from the exhaust to the fuel tank. We're going to make it considerably longer to try and negate some of the exhaust pulsation. The other observation we made is when we burn off about a quarter tank of fuel, you look at the fuel tank and it is total milkshake. So we are going to loop or coil the fuel supply line from the tank to the carburetor. Hopefully the fuel will have enough time to get rid of some of the aeration and give us a good solid fuel supply to the carburetor. The other thing we've noticed and decided to check and needs attention, we have run several tanks of fuel through this truck, and we are going to be doing a valve adjustment to it. They are totally out of spec. They're way too loose. So we're going to do a real nice valve adjustment to it and get them back in spec. And hopefully that is going to get this truck on the road to recovery. It's becoming a little frustrating. It keeps it interesting. We will get this thing working. Don't know how old we'll be, but we're going to keep swinging at it until we have some success. With that, I thank you very much for watching, and everyone please have a great day.